Situated between China and India in the eastern parts of the Himalayas in South Asia, the Bhutan Kingdom provides a political system worth studying to its uniqueness. One of the outstanding aspects of Bhutan is the use of society's happiness as a way of measuring well being. Continuing my journey in the busiest town or city of Bhutan, that is Phuntsholing, I am now mesmerized with this amazing country. Bhutan is the only country in the world that has a GNH. You may think GNH is just another statistically based term with no real life application, but it refers to gross national happiness. This country has one of the stable ecosystems in the world and has virtually no environmental damage due to its long isolation. The restrictions on tourism and their protection of natural resources have let Bhutan preserve the beautiful landscape and physical country as well as their cultural identity. Right now, I am at Kizomb Cafe, Phuntsholing, which sells the best cakes, pies, and pastries. When a cafe of a country serves the yummiest desserts, you know you are in the happiest country of Bhutan. This place is a must visit, and the caramel cashew pudding is a must try. You heard it from me, and now there is no turning back. You need to rush to Kizomb Cafe. The more people I interacted while visiting Kizomb, I realized that the rush and crowd is not only for desserts, but their tea, tarts, pizzas, and brownies are world class as well. I loved the interior and the service was just awesome. Located in the center of the town, this place is surely going to serve you an experience of a lifetime. I know the Bhutan vlogs are mostly about food, but hey, I'm a Bengali, so you just have to tolerate me being a foodie on my series. So let's now explore more of Bhutan. Bhutan is the only Buddhist kingdom in the world. Mahayana Buddhism is the official religion of Bhutan. Over two-thirds of the people are Buddhist, and Buddhism is supported by the government both politically and economically. The government gives subsidies to Buddhist monasteries, shrines, monks, and other Buddhist programs. Buddhists are also very influential politically with a guaranteed voice in public policy. Strangely, Bhutan has also made significant efforts to keep other major religions out of the country. Promoting Christianity and other major religions is not allowed in Bhutan. Even with globalization, Bhutan has been able to preserve their Buddhist traditions and they remain the last standing Buddhist kingdom. Some call Bhutan the Switzerland of Asia because of its size, shape, and location in the mountains. I personally love the squeaky clean roads and amazing greenery of Bhutan. The houses and infrastructure of Bhutan will give you an amazing glimpse of their culture, traditions, and artistic nature. The best thing about Bhutan is that Bhutan is a mysterious country that appears to exist in a parallel universe. Many people find it enchanting, as if it comes right out of a storybook. Bhutan is the world's only carbon negative country, meaning it generates greater oxygen than what it consumes. It emits approximately 2.2 million tons of carbon dioxide per year, but its woods absorb 3 times that much, resulting in a carbon sink. Just imagine that. Also, did you know that Bhutan does not have any traffic lights? Yes, Bhutan's roads are a scary experience with sharp turns in the hilly areas. They are pathways that herds of animals such as cows and buffaloes use. Even amid the road, people stop to welcome each other. Bhutanese drivers, on the other hand, drive slowly and cautiously. Therefore, traffic lights are not necessary. Now comes the most respectful part of why I really admire Bhutan, and that is Bhutan has declared a ban on the use of plastic. Bhutan first banned plastic in 1999. Even after implementing it twice more in 2005 and 2009, it failed due to a lack of alternatives. They again enforced the ban in 2019 to the pressing demand for trash management in Bhutan. The government is promoting alternatives such as handicrafted carry bags, jute bags, and hand woven bags to educate citizens. Okay, now let's come to the most interesting fun fact about Bhutan, and that is you sometimes forget the birthdays of your loved ones. Well, Bhutanese, on the other hand, do not face this problem because Bhutanese nationals all officially grow a year older on New Year's Day, which is interesting. If people have forgotten their birthdays due to illiteracy or other factors, it is easier to recall them if they are celebrated on New Year's Day. The practice shows that Bhutanese place a higher value on the year than the month or a day. So right now I am at the Phuntsholing viewpoint or the People Drangra, which lies at the same altitude as that of Rinchen Goemba. The best time recommended visiting is during the day as you'll get a clear view of thriving Phuntsholing town as well as the Bengal plains. The hill gradients and the Tosha river flowing right beside it make this location the perfect picturesque. Bhutan is not only pleasing to the eyes but is so much politically advanced. All citizens have access to free education and healthcare. The government has launched a program to ensure that everyone has access to general health and educational services. Most people still receive their schooling from monasteries, but the government is making efforts to improve literacy. Isn't that great? It is also the country that is against the law to kill anything. Bhutan is a country that values animals because of this reason. No animals or birds are allowed to be killed in Bhutan. The legislation stems from Buddhist teachings, traditional ideals, which prohibit the murder of any living entity. They are also very concerned about environmental protection. All the beef comes from outside the country. However, the government has recently considered outright prohibiting its consumption. Congratulations, Bhutan! All in all, Bhutan is mesmerizing. Though I only visited one city or town of Bhutan, touring and exploring the entire Bhutan is definitely on my bucket list. And now we are back in India. Just took us 5 minutes to come out of Bhutan and to get back in our very own loved country. While returning home, we had our dinner at the famous Bongopumi restaurant of Alipurduar, themed as the jungle. This restaurant is named as Aranak and serves delicious food. The ambience is really family friendly, so definitely it is a must visit. After a beautiful day at Bhutan and a lovely dinner with my friends in India, now it's the end of my road trip to a different country vlog. We are going to meet soon and lovely videos are coming up, so stay tuned to my channel. Take care, guys. Oh yeah, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.